In Quebec, we have this lemon law where essentially appliances are supposed to last a reasonable amount of time. Otherwise, it's on the manufacturer or the company to repair it, replace it, whatever. There are two problems with this. Number one, not everyone knows about it, so oftentimes people end up paying out of pocket for the repairs. And number two, there's no clear definition about what a reasonable amount of time is. However, I knew about this law, and when our dishwasher broke, like the top tray started falling off because one of the pieces broke, I called the company and argued with them for hours and hours and hours, and eventually I got them to send me the replacement part for free. They did try to make me promise that I was going to get like a certified whirlpool technician to come and replace the part for me because it was, I guess, beyond my capabilities, but they ended up sending it to me anyway. So I went onto YouTube, I looked up a video for how to replace this exact part, I figured it out, and I did it myself. The thing that really pissed me off though was that they fought me so hard on replacing this part, and when we got the replacement part, it was made out of metal, and the original part that we had was made out of plastic. So clearly they changed the way they made this part in the meantime because they knew it was defective. But they still fought me so hard on sending me the replacement part. And actually they sent me two by mistake, so when my client's exact same dishwasher broke, I was able to give her hers for free.